What guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be playing Big Scary with my brother. Don't mind that it's on VRFS. Just got me blood going on the Big Scary and starting recording. But my brother isn't in the code at the moment, guys, but we will be doing a speed run. Right, as you can see, we're in.
Joshua!
You heard? Hey, come on, let's do level 1.
Big scary people with my little with my big brother. Wait a second.
I'm gonna turn my Oculus down.
Bong.
Right. Which way? Should we go that way or that way? There's two ways.
This way, because this way is way quicker.
Right.
Oh shoot!
Go this way then!
No,
Okay.
he's gonna come. He's all the way over there. Let's go. Like if we go like very close to him, we're dead.
Should we dip?
You go first.
Oh! Right. Holy crap.
Josh, I think we can do it. Or did he? Oh, he went that way again. Why is he always going that way?
He's coming! I just wait for him to pass.
No, just get in. Just get in.
Hello!
Jerry is new.
Right, come on, Curse! Yes! We're through. Let's go.
Bro, since Shrek added tease, this game has been way more easier.
Right, he's down there, Curtis. Where is he?
He's down there somewhere.
I don't know why Shrek decided to add this. It just makes it easier for some reason. Like, is he down there, Curtis?
No, he wasn't gonna add there.
Got it. I got it now. Oh crap. Be Curtis. Don't get that one because then it'll waste more time. So I'm gonna get the one closer to the start. I'm going the other way because there's a banana token for me.
Josh, I'll wait for you.
Alright. Right.
Hey, stupid monkey. Stupid monkey.
Bye bye.
like this level.
I know. Wait, freak you, camera.
Stop following me. I said stop following me. Right, Joshua, let's go find the wheel.
Of course, want me to do something to the monster? And he'll be,
No. Let's go. The wheel is here.
Then this way?
Let's go. And 2 more levels is the worst level.
What level are you talking about? The worst level?
Yeah, you know the one in the adventure you have to find all 3 buttons? What's 11 and 5? Which are the ones? I just see you passing me.
Yeah, why does it not work as a slide?
1 second. Should we just try to find all the buttons?
Yeah.
It's like I know where all of them are. You just go.
Now that actually jump scared me, though.
I can't see him because he just appears out of nowhere.
Hello there.
I hear him.
Hello.
Hi. Oh. One second.
Ah! He's here.
What are we supposed to do if he's camping? What are we supposed to do?
Shh. I don't hear him.
Then you go where we went the first time. And
No,
then
you
when
did this time.
No.
Well, fine, do you want to skip this level, you wee wuss? Hey, come on.
No.
Not there. Now you go down.
Because he's not here. I'm here. Let's go. All the way down there. I think it is. Oh, this is my favorite level.
What one is it? The odd one?
No.
Good.
It's after this one.
No, of course. It could be sitting on the top. Nope.
It's not here, so it's somewhere up there. Let's go.
God, he's coming!
Oh no. Get away, stupid monkey.
No.
Oh no.
Curtis, I've got it! I'm in my prime and this ain't even final form. They knocked me down.
Oh shoot, no, it's the wrong one.
Mr. McIroncock! It's the rod level, for God's sake.
Hamper. This is the one that we're playing, most people don't know where it is.
Hello there!
Bro, this guy's a silly little camper.
Which one?
I'm a certified pro at this level. Hi, Happy Ghost.
Hi! You're so cute.
Bro, both of them are there.
Chris, where are you?
I like this level, but don't like it at the same time. We're not going to pizza.
What?
We're not going. Do you want to come eat some pizza? Cause I can follow me. Come down here. Into here.
Oh, are we able to eat them? Wait, how do we get in there? Where are you? Where are you? Hello there!
Oh my.
Right, Chris, wait. Okay, right. Crap, I just messed up, right, shit. my god, he just got absolutely sent. Ah, she gets sent, you ghost. Oh crap.
Wait, monster.
How many out of 5 have we got? 3.
I have 3.
There's one down here, Curtis. Holy crap! Then the last one's in the maze, okay?
Yeah. That was the hardest.
Curtis on us.
Get up. Get on this one.
Woo! Who do you think you are, you wee prick?
You stinky. Hey you. You stinky.
Yeah. Ha ha. Curtis,
Joshua,
he a stinky loser.
how do we...
Where are you?
Joshua, in here. Let's get the hat. Well, do you have the hat? They're not in the place.
On you, Curtis.
Yes.
I just got caught by 2 of them. Come to the start. Curtis, come to the start real quick.
I just clicked that.
Curtis, come to the start. I'm like, take me to the place. I don't know my ways around this map.
Right,
let's go to the...
do you want me... Right, do we...
There.
What? Watch
Hello.
this. Go! None of them are in the maze according to my calculations right now. In here. Get it. Oh, one's in the maze, so let's just die.
No, there's not.
Let's go. I thought there was. Over to here. Drop down. Here.
Oh, Curtis! Like spider rival. Curtis! Calm down! Bro, will this kid actually calm down?
I'm here.
Curtis, punch, climb the trees.
Oh my.
Get your buddy, you're bad. Oh my god, Curtis, can you come get this guy?
Oh yeah. Coming from me.
No!
Is it this one?
Curtis, he got me. Curtis.
Yeah?
Do you want to just skip this level?
What?
Do you? Do you want to skip the level, Curtis?
No, it's a bit scary, girl. I think I should skip the level, so I'll just skip. Oh, it's not. No.
Oh my god, get juked, you're actually bad, buddy. Woo! Curtis, skip this level, it's way too hard. Curtis, skip this level, it's too hard. You must be level. Why am I in space?
Why did I just fall down? 1 second.
Curtis, what level should we go on to?
1 second.
Level 10 is it? Level 9 is it?
It's me, Pumpkin the pumpkin.
Right.
I want some candy to eat and I will open the door for you. Oh yeah. Find some candy for me. Right now.
Where the segment did he come from? Curtis, what were you doing?
What time it is? We're checking what time it is.
Wait, Curtis.
Well-
You want to play Animal Company?
Oh, sure.
Right, guys, we're going to stop the speed run. We're going to go on to Animal Company. Cause Big Scary's getting a bit boring because we do normal weather on like every single level. And we've did like a speed run 5 times. Right, buddy. Right, where's the computer? Right,
Give it.
Give it back to him, he owns it. You greedy fuck.
He's a leave, isn't he?
Right, Curtis, I'm in our code. Oh my god. E96, I guess. How much money have you got? How does your money save? Curtis, how does your
Yeah?
money save?
Joshua, don't take my ray gun. I worked hard for this.
Wait, let me see it. Ah,
You're... Put the flashlight in my bag. Drop it.
right, Curtis, can you help me get some money? Like, my money keeps on resetting.
Right, Joshua, just don't take that. I worked hard for that.
Wait, how many? Yeah,
Joshua, that cost...
how much ammo has it got?
Joshua, give me it.
What if I shoot it?
Joshua, give me it.
Wait, which one do I
Give
press to
me it
drop
back.
it? What button do I press to drop it?
A.
Way!
Joshua, wanna how to easily... Joshua, I know how to easily get stuff from chicken. Follow me. Wait, Joshua, let me buy a flashlight and show you real quick.
Give me a flashlight.
So you see this? You see this? No, don't hold it, drop it. I charged up the gun. Comes right to me. Then I
Does
can
it have
put in my
unlimited
bag.
juices?
Yeah. Joshua, watch this. Bye bye.
No, actually, wait for me, Curtis.
Yeah. It's over here.
Right. I got stuck. Oh my god. Whoa.
Right. Joshua, hold this bag and then pick it up, then put it into
What's
my
that?
bag. I'll just grab everything.
Because you've got the egg.
Yeah. Right, get that banana in. Joshua, do you want the umbrella? Wait, no, it's quite bad. Right, take... The Coca-Cola was one. Right. No, Joshua,
Oh, crap.
Joshua, put the umbrella in here. It makes you glide, so put it in there.
No, because I've got it closed.
1 second, Joshua. Shut up!
Put it into your bag. Then, come on, let's go.
No, Joshua, there's still like plungers and something. I have a gigantic banana. There. And now the last one. Is there even anything else? Right. There. Right now. Put that in. Drop that in. Try this. Joshua, what do you think of the ray gun?
Cool.
Joshua,
It
it's
literally
hard to-
brings every single thing to you.
No, it can only bring one at a time, but sometimes
Alright.
I feel like...
Wait, try bring me to you. Try bring me to you.
No, that doesn't work. Because you're not an item.
Why are we at the red light, green light?
We're not.
Alright. Right, shake your bag, shake your bag. Are you putting the whole bag in there?
No.
Here, Cors,
Okay.
just stick everything.
Right, Joshua, want to put it right now? Press the buttons. It's done. How much did we make for you?
665. No,
No,
565.
565.
How much did you get?
565.
Same.
Where should we go now?
Because you think we'd get more money if we put everything in one by one?
Where?
If we put everything, put the stuff in one by one.
No, we wouldn't. I'ma claim this.
Curtis. Wanna know what
Yeah.
to do? Maybe,
Yeah.
do you wanna go into the sewers?
No, I would lose my ray gun.
Why, Curtis?
And like if I die, I'd lose.
Wait,
my
what if
ray
you leave
gun
it
plus-
here?
What?
Your ray gun.
No, it would probably despawn.
Wait, Curtis, what if you go in there yourself and you
Joshua?
give me your ray gun?
Joshua, put that bag on your back. Joshua, hold on to my back and press A.
Yo!
Right, let's up, and away.
Up and away! Curtis!
Okay.
Because should I put it into my backpack? Curtis, come get your thing!
What?
Come get your saddle!
Right, drop it there. 1 second. There.
You don't have it!
Need charge. Joshua, don't get on me, cause whenever I jump enough, you fall off. Right, put that in the bag.
Curtis, my bag! My
This in
bag!
the bag.
Curtis, my bag's on
Where-
the line there.
Why does this keep on going on? Joshua, put everything into your bag.
Curtis! It's angry.
Hey, Joshua, yeah, I'm not too close to him, so he won't come after us. Right. There's that.
Quick!
Let me get this over here.
Where's the egg?
Let's see, has it spawned now? No, it's only...
Curtis!
It hasn't spawned. Joshua, come in. Right, let's go.
Wait, hold
Joshua,
on.
close your backpack. Press X. Right. Put it behind your back and press A. Right, let's go.
Oh crap, I near fell. Alright, let me just
no.
adjust myself in real life.
Right.
Let's go.
Let's go. Safe zone protection disabled. Joshua, quickly get out of here. Quickly enter the safe zone. or
Why
else
is
you
it
die.
disabled?
Right there, now it's good. What did I get? Trying to pick up a mega... Joshua, pull out your bag. Oh, you have it. Right, never mind. So, no, never mind. Don't. Never mind. Never mind.
See?
Right, Joshua, put everything into your bag. Right, let's go pour it out. Joshua, if
Yeah?
I brought you to haunted house, then you would be scared for your life.
Here, I'm
You're
gonna
a
walk
scary
into the
lady.
thing.
Just pour everything in.
Yeah, that's all.
Right, close it. Right, no. Right there. Wait.
$184.
I'ma buy
Get it.
something. I'ma buy something that would help. Joshua, do you want to be Hulk?
Yeah.
There. Right, Joshua,
What does it
punch
do?
me. Punch me. Wait, come out here then punch me. Sit down here and then punch
Curtis, what are you doing with my backpack?
Bro. Oh, there's a Coca-Cola can and a plunger.
You put them into the thing, would you?
I hate you. Get away from me.
Why?
I'm on a risk of dying right
Curtis,
now.
see if some protection disabled.
I guess it's fine for now. Oh, wait, Joshua, can I show you something
Hold
funny? Right, drop your Hulk thing because I bought it for you. Right, drop it. Right, then let me grab it. Now watch this. Watch how far this is gonna go. Bye-bye.
Run! Run!
Why?
That machine was going like.
That's what it does.
Curtis, why is our safe zone protection disabled?
Oh, it's still there. I don't know really, but I think it's supposed to kill you. What is all my stuff? Spend 5,000 nuts? No!
Right, guys, but anyways, I'm going to end the video here, so bye, guys.